How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and this is going to be a little bit of a shorter video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery in a Dodge key fob. So if you have a key fob like this, then this is the video that you want to watch if you want to know how to do that. So I believe this is the key fob that came on the 2015 Challengers and up. It might be the ones before that too, but I'm honestly not sure. But I know it's definitely the 2015s and newer. So a few months ago, whenever I went to open up the car, it like wouldn't even open from the key fob, and it wouldn't lock either. And then whenever I got inside the car, it said key fob battery low right there. And the only thing that actually did work was whenever I put my hand over here, it unlocked. So I couldn't actually unlock the car by pressing the buttons on the key fob. So that's the only way I could unlock and lock it. So basically locked it with this button right here and unlocked it by putting my hand over there while having the key fob on me. But like I said, none of the buttons on the key fob actually worked. And luckily the car was actually detecting the key fob, so I could actually start up the car and unlock it and lock it from the actual handle. So this is the kind of battery that fits inside this key fob. So I got this battery from Walgreens. It was like $7 I think for just one battery. So I guess it's kind of a lot just for one battery, but anyways, it's like a 2032 lithium battery. It's just a circle like that. So the hardest part of this process is actually getting the key fob open. So basically what you want to do is this whole key fob just splits apart in half. And what you have to do is take out the spare key. So how you do that is there's this little switch on the back. You just push that down and the key comes out. And then what you want to do, there's a little opening right here. It's right next to the opening for the key. What you want to do, stick the key in there and just kind of pry it open. So this part, like I said, is the most difficult part. So there you go, it kind of split apart like that. Now you want to be careful, and there you go. The battery is right there. Once you got the key fob open, you want to go ahead and open up your battery. Once again, this is a 2032 lithium battery. Just open this up. So once you get the battery open, you're going to have to take this battery out of the key fob, and you're probably going to have to use your key to actually like pry it out. So that was pretty easy, and just make sure you know which way it goes in. So this battery's out, and I just dropped it. But so this battery has like a thing you peel off, and the side you peeled off is the side that goes up. The side that has like the brand of the battery on it, that's going to be facing down. So if I can get this in, I'm not sure why it's not going in, but okay, so you kind of just have to force it in there. So like I said, make sure you know the correct way to put the battery in. The blank side goes up, as you can see, just like that. So the company of the battery will be facing away. And now you're gonna have to put the key fob back together. So make sure you just line it up, and you're just gonna have to press it down pretty hard to actually get it to go back together. So it's not gonna click, but well, it clicked a little bit, but you'll see that it goes back together like that. Then you can just put the key back in. Now we can go ahead and test this key fob out, see if the new battery works. So lock it, that works good. Unlock, works just fine. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial on how to replace the battery in your Dodge key fob. I believe it's the key fobs for the 2015s and newer. I'm not sure about the older ones. It might be the same key fob, but I don't know. So whenever your key fob doesn't lock and unlock the car, like you're clicking the buttons and nothing's happening, that's when you know your battery's getting low. It'll still open up if you touch the handle and press the button to lock it. If you hit the buttons and it doesn't do anything, that's when you know that your battery is going low and you should probably start thinking about replacing it. It will last a few months, I'm pretty sure. I lasted a few months like that. And then just a few days ago, it told me key fob battery low on the little screen by the gauges. So I decided I should probably actually like replace that thing. So yeah, basically all you have to do, you have to get a 2032 battery for it. I got mine at Walgreens. It was like $7, I think, for one battery. And then what you want to do, you want to basically just pry the key fob apart to get to the battery. So how you do that is you take the key out, and like I said, there's going to be a little like slit that you want to use the key to pry open. You kind of just want to, I don't know, do whatever you can, honestly. You're supposed to like turn it counterclockwise, but I just kind of like lifted it up. It's kind of hard to explain. But after that, you're gonna have to pry the old battery out using the key, and then make sure you put the new battery in the correct way. So like I said, the brand of the battery is going to be facing away, and the blank side will be facing towards you. And then make sure the battery is inside all the way so it's not falling out, and then you basically just have to put the key fob back together and make sure it's all the way together. Like there's no like openings or anything in the key fob, and then just put the key back in. And that's basically all there is to it. It's pretty simple. The only hard part is actually getting the key fob to come apart so you can get to the battery. So I hope you guys found this little tutorial informative or entertaining. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some more video suggestions. And as always, thanks for watching.